So when it comes to YouTube, the thumbnail is the #1 thing that you need to nail down to grow your YouTube channel. One, to get them to click your video. So in today's video, me, Styles Mckay, here with Styles Studios, I'm gonna be showing you my tips on how to create and perfect the thumbnail. Welcome to Styles Studios. My name is Styles Mckay, where I help you along the way visualize your dreams to reality. So just like we said in the intro, of course, I'm gonna be showing you my tips on how to perfect a thumbnail and how to find your own style to create your own thumbnail to your brand's vision and alignment. The #1 thing you want to get is definitely Canva. Guys, Canva is a cheat code to YouTube design. Any social media design, actually, whether it's your business, personal brand, or you're just trying to grow the social media pages. Instead, use Canva. I promise you, you're missing out. Especially if you have no experience in design, this literally is a hack for you to create. Now, I'm gonna be giving you my extra tips on how to find unique developments in creating your designs and not just sticking to the standard templates that they give you. So #1, you're definitely going to go do some photo shoots. Whether this is on your smartphone or your camera you need to go get some photos, because this is going to allow you to define your brand's thumbnails, whether your niche is fitness, fashion, tips and tricks, all this type of stuff. Adding you on it is going to add an extra personality to it. So as I show you, you will see the type of photos I want you to go towards. Don't just get the thumbnails where you're like, that's not cutting it. Those are too simple, too generic, and they're not gonna stand out. We wanna stand out with our thumbnails and break the barrier to grow our channel and get the things we wanna do for our audience and get the views we want for our videos. Without further ado, let's get right into the computer and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so right here, we got Canva open, and you're immediately gonna go right here to the search, and we're gonna search YouTube thumbnail. Okay, pretty simple. So you're gonna have all different types of designs, different looks to use, and really what you want to do is find something that you can create, something that you can re-envision for the video you want to create. That's what's going to be the goal here, and that's going to be the goal for every thumbnail. Every top YouTuber has always recommended to create the thumbnail first, to get the vision of your video so you can align your purpose of the video around the thumbnail, because the thumbnail is what they're going to click, and that's what's going to make them view your video. If you don't have an engaging thumbnail to click, well then you must not have a good enough video. So now you need to match the thumbnail with the video. You know what I'm saying? You can't have an awesome thumbnail and a crappy video. They're gonna click off right away. So what you want to do is definitely align your content right. So let's get right into Canva and show you. So of course, right up here we've searched YouTube thumbnail. Let's add a new one, guys. Come on, let's do a few. Let's do a few here. I'm gonna go with design. Let's stick with something that's more subtle. Then again, we're in the same page. We're creating thumbnails. So I'm scrolling through the design feature right now. Let me take the time to find some. Let's do this basic one. I saw this one and I kind of like it. Now let's just change this background up here. Let's go with black. Whoa, let's get that off. Boom. Obviously move that. Change the words. Let's do thumbnail and bring this down a lot. Bring this size down so it fits in the screen. And thumbnail, right? You see it fitting right there. But let's go, actually let's create the thumbnail for this video. Thumbnail secrets. Okay, so now let me go to uploads. Thumbnail secrets. What's one that looks like a secret? So this is where it gets tricky. I've obviously have a lot of photos here, but you can see that the purpose of them. Let's go with this. This looks really suspenseful. Let's go background remover again, see what it does, because this was very black, so this might not work the way I want it to, but hopefully we're gonna pray Canva knows what it's doing. And again, boom, let's go push this forward. That looks like a secret if you ask me. Let's go to edit photo, shadows, glow, color, white, blur amount, size, distance, intensity. Let's stick with that. This looks very secretive. Now, I don't like this, but I think I can fix it. So I'm gonna hit this here. We're gonna go to black. And let's get another photo just in case, because I feel like this doesn't necessarily match it. Or actually, let's go to elements. Let's find first a new photo. Thumbnail secrets. I would definitely recommend having, I actually have more photos here, so let's upload photos. Let's go to photos, and then we're looking for photos that represent secrets. Let's go, this one looks good, this one looks good. This is my first tutorial, so however it's going, and I'm gonna edit it. I want to add in, and I think it's gonna work because it looks secretive. Looks secretive for sure, so we're gonna add that there. I'm gonna hit edit photo, let it load. Background remover. That one looks so much better for the secrets. Let's just blow it up, and then because it's a little bit greener, we're going to change the temperature a little bit. Thumbnail secrets. That actually looks super hard. What I would do is I want to change the background somehow. Thumbnail secrets. I kind of want to change this font. Let's go here. There, secrets looks better like that. Effects. Let's go to outline. Yellow. That looks a lot better actually. Thumbnail secrets. And then let's go to elements. Let's go to, and let's get some graffiti color in here, because this is gonna look sick when you put it in the thumbnail, right? So I obviously have this like street style look that fits really well, and I want to put it somehow in here like this. Let's go. I think this is gonna be a really good thumbnail for this video actually. Now put this, layer this right behind, and boom. I mean, that looks super sick. I don't know about you, but that looks like a secret to me that I want to find out. I want to know what thumbnail secret that is. You know, whether that. So these are my thumbnail secrets for YouTube. Now we can even get a little crazier, add some extra cool graphics here, and then position this backwards. Elements. Let's go back to graffiti. Look at all these. Let's get a nice arrow and stretch this down, and boom, thumbnail secrets. Maybe we could do one more spot right here, and then position this backwards, and maybe stretch it out just a little bit so it kind of hangs out right there, just a little bit. Honestly, this is a super sick thumbnail, I'm not gonna lie. I honestly didn't think it would come out like this. Let's add my logo just because that's what we do here. And thumbnail secrets. Now let's go to edit photo, shadows, and then glow. And yeah, just like that. Now we have a sick thumbnail. Honestly, this is a super sick thumbnail. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna use this thumbnail for this video because that's what this is about. Thumbnail secrets. I do want to add one more thing to the back just to add some texture. Let's go to texture, see what comes up. I kind of like this. It's just like some graininess or something like that. Let's just stretch this through the whole thing and then position to back, or wait, forward one, and then actually let's flip this, boom, and then vertically. And honestly, that is way better than I had envisioned. So yeah, I mean, what more can you get from that? Am I right? As you see clearly, this one might not have been the best. Now that I'm thinking about it, I want to remove this and find something else. And maybe it's the yellow. Honestly, it might be this yellow right here. That actually looks way better. Wow. Okay. You know what I'm saying? The boy really got these sauces. It's all about the color. It's all about the branding. As you can see, black, red, and yellow really are my go-tos. Yellow right there. How to find your creative flow. Wow. These look really good. So after that session, we got the thumbnail right there posted up, but I think you guys got the picture. Now, as you see, the main part of this video is to show you that planning your thumbnail is super important. Creating your thumbnail is super valid to your process on creating a better YouTube video. Now, in this process, I had created this thumbnail, which I will use for this video, but I had already made a thumbnail for this with the thought that that was gonna be the process. Now, as you see, my creative flow is just already gone on lock. So that's what we did, which is, I think, a really valid point in this message of the video to show you like how great this really can be. Now, the thing that you have to do that I have achieved with this process is setting up photos to constantly be able to cycle through thumbnails. In Canva, there's the background remover. It'll cut things out. So get creative, get fancy, because your thumbnail is what's going to be your number one thing in grabbing new viewers. Just like this. You got here with this video with that thumbnail, and in the video saw I made the thumbnail within the video. So that's how important this thumbnail is. Now obviously I want you to get these tips and get these tricks aligned, but if you're struggling and don't really know how to create a thumbnail, definitely this is going to be a valid and really important factor in your YouTube channel growth, which is the thumbnail. I don't know how many times I need to say it, but these are YouTube thumbnail secrets. Some things to focus on the thumbnail is super clear, super awesome, and super context to what the video is about. So those three things right there should be exactly enough to what you need to make your video about. Once you can visualize your thumbnail, you will literally see exactly what you need to do to create an awesome video for that thumbnail. But these are the tips that I highly, highly, highly recommend to you, is go lock in with Canva. Definitely go drop Canva a download. Also, this video is not sponsored. I do want to say that. So if you do want to support the channel, definitely hit the subscribe button, or you can hit the first link in my description and buy my merch, where we help you visualize your dreams to reality. The shirts and logos are designed to help motivate you and put you in the right mindset when you wear them and when you look at them, to help you visualize your dreams and how to take action and turn them into reality. So if you do want to support, that is definitely how, until we grow further and do get brand sponsors, which would be amazing and grateful. Maybe Canva wants to sponsor this video. Who knows? Canva, hit me. If you did get some useful information from this video, please drop a like down below and feel free to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and videos just like this to help you create your dreams to reality, where we visualize all of it into reality. And that's the purpose here but at Styles Studios, is to help you as I do it myself and show you along the way. My name is Styles Mckay. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace, love.